Hi, I'm Sashaun.
And I'm Derek.
And we just bought a 3D printed home. I just kind of came upon it on Instagram one day and said, oh my gosh, like they're building in Mueller. This might be the perfect opportunity for us.
For me, it really is the whole package.
Yes.
It's the design aesthetic, it's the peace in coming home, it's knowing that we're getting a place that is not a stepping stone to the next thing. It's, we're grounding our family.
And we just feel like we get to be a part of something, part of like the Icon community, a part of just building a sustainable home that's gonna last. We did see the 3D printers out and active. We brought our son out and he had a little hard hat and the whole vest on, and he loved watching the process. And that was one of the things we loved about these lots, is that we were able to have an ADU to give proper office space and guest space and a full garage. I feel like we have just 100% confidence in this building process and the way that it's gone and how smooth it has gone.
And there hasn't been a single time that we've either interacted with the materials or gone over to the job site that we haven't been impressed and kind of walked away with like, okay, even more confidence in
this feels
in
great,
everything.
yeah.
So, yeah.